Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life. And you know what? Today is ketchup mustard day. I'm running out of things funny to say about the 25th. But the 25th of each month, we release items that we call ketchup day because you might have seen it before, you might not have seen it before, it might be brand new to you, and I don't want you to miss out on these items, okay? Some of them are limited edition. Some of them, once they're gone forever. But one we are going to keep in stock. So are you ready? Get set. Let's jump in. First things first, assorted ribbon colors. Now this one's really awesome because it has a fun twine. It has a dark chocolate dot ribbon. It has another chocolate gingham. It has a ginger snap seam binding. It is gorgeous. It's perfect neutral. It's more brown than anything else. Oh, actually, I'm sorry, we're calling it natural. But it's more brown than anything else. But it's one of those that you need for this season, right? Fall and things like that. Another thing we are releasing for a limited time, once it's gone forever. We don't reprint paper pads, is dun, 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 Happy Hummingbird. Now, Happy Hummingbird is really awesome. It went with our Hummingbird kit, but it has the best colors in it. It also has our brand new color Orchid, and look at how gorgeous these patterns are. You are going to love these. And the best part about it is a lot of these are really, really basics, so you'll be using them over and over. I highly recommend you get at least 2 of these, just saying. Now, another thing that we're releasing for a limited time is die words that came in some kits back in the day. So here we have For You, and here we have Just a Note. So those are now available on our website. And last but, oh no, two more. Here's another one, limited time only, limited time only. This is our small leaf stencil. This one is so fun. This came out with one of our, I think it was the wild animals class or something, but we have a few extra. Once it's gone, if you go to the website and you don't see this stencil, that means it's gone. So make sure you get it ASAP. Last but not least is a die that I designed for Sizzix way back in the day. And we're finally bringing it back because I own the art. We're finally bringing it back under the Stamps of Life name. And it is called the Center Step Up Card Die Set. Now, yes, it is A2 in size, so it folds to be A2. Has this fun little vine on it. Let me show you this way. Has these fun flowers, has all these awesome fun steps, lots of fun things to do with it. And I want you to go to our idea gallery because there is a way you can turn this to be the inside of your card so it's a pop-up. Double duty, double duty. But look how cute it is. It comes with Friends Forever. It is so cute. I love it. It comes with this bottom one down here and, of course, the layering dies. So make sure you go to the website, thestampsoflife.com. Check out these awesome items. The first set of all the items besides this one, once they're gone forever. So go get them quickly. I'll see you there, stampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.